anyone's been here to Winged Foot before, the old shop was so small. I had to move equipment just to bring something in to work on. There was just no room, no storage, no anything. I think Steve felt, and I guess the members felt too, that it was time to upgrade the shop and the whole maintenance facility for the US Open with all the volunteers coming through here. We were so excited, couldn't wait, and then when this virus hit, it was like the air just went out of the balloon. I mean, because we worked years and years doing everything. We went through renovations on the west, we went renovations on the east. Then when they thought they were having it, I mean, we were excited. I mean, we're still a little bummed there's no spectators, because we put our heart and soul in this place. And, you know, it's like a sense of pride. I am changing the height of the rough from, it used to be 5 inches. They thought it was way too long. So I'm putting it down to 4.5.
John, our technician, is amazing. He's in there every morning game planning with us. We have direct communication with him every day.
Item 7-6.
We call a lot of audibles here, so we might tell him at night, hey, we're doing X, Y, Z, and then in the morning it's completely different. And he adjusts on the go with the best of them.
The other thing, Steve Rabidou doesn't want any stripes. So we went from a solid roller to the sectional roller, I guess you want to call it, or a wheel roller. And then 5-inch, the grass tends to lay over, so we put some high lift blades on it to act like more of a suction to stand it up. And it works pretty good. 9009As, the cut on these are unbelievable. All the guys love them. They're a great machine.
You know, we can't believe that Steve and his crew were able to pull this off. I mean, having the rough, as gnarly as it is this time of year.
You guys recommended the high lift blade.
Yep.
And took the mulching kits out, and it was perfect.
Awesome.
John Deere and Finch has been phenomenal. I know I could rely on them. If they know I have any kind of trouble, they will be here either that afternoon to help me or first thing in the morning.
You know, through the summer we've had here, through the pandemic, just hats off to John and the shop and the entire crew here at Winged Foot. You know, we're really proud to partner with you guys and super excited to be part of this US Open here.
Having the US Open here is absolutely great. And just see the players and see how they deal with this course, can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. I think they're going to be in for a brutal 4 days.